If you're happy and you know what, clap your hands. Come on, I'm recording you, retard.
I'm recording it too, retard.
I'm recording a freaking voice.
Oh, you're recording a voice?
Yes. That way I can say it and play it for everyone. Come on, say something.
No.
Come on.
No!
Oh, I got that. So, you want me to say what I said about someone to Emily again? You want me to say that again? I'll say it again.
You're a hoe. You're a hoe!
I got that too. Come on. Say it a little more. Come on, say some more.
Brady's a whore!
There's some hoes in this house. Come on.
Brady's a whore!
There's this hooker on the side. She asked this guy if he wanted something and he shook his head no.
You're such a hoe.
She's a crack addict hoe.
Such
She
a
asked
hoe.
if he wanted to have some
You're such
fun.
a hoe!
And then you saw these 5 girls on the side just sitting there waiting for something. Oh, I got it. Let's play.
No, I hate you! This is like our second video recording. I saw my shit. Oh my god, why are you blurry? You're blurry now.
We're not doing it again.